in a very important notification to the centres, the Union Health Secretary has told states that they could amend additional curbs which they'd put in place because of the pandemic, because of a sustained declining trend as far as COVID numbers and the positivity rate was concerned. Let's go straight across to NDTV's Meher Pandey, who's been tracking the story. Meher, what specific guidelines does the centre now tell states that they no longer need to enforce?
Now the cases are falling relatively consistently. We are at much lower levels of daily cases than we were just a few weeks ago. The centre has told states to remove restrictions on interstate travel. On the 14th of February, the centre had lifted international travel restrictions, and it wants the states to follow suit because what they say is a greater opportunity for economic activities to resume now. So on the 14th of September, the centre had said that there is no more need for a 7-day quarantine for international arrivals, and there was no need for them to get tested before arrival if they have a valid vaccination certificate. But there are some states who have further restrictions at their state boundaries. So some states needed RT-PCR for entering the state, or they wanted a vaccine certificate. These extra restrictions, the centre has now said, please reconsider and remove them. So that is a big move because it will help economic activities to resume once again. Of course, these restrictions were a big reason why interstate travel had really come down in the previous month. And now they will be reconsidered because of the fall in cases.
Right.
One thing to note is that the centre is saying in both of these easing of restrictions at the centre level and the states, it's the economic activities that are driving this decision right now.
All right. So that's an important point, that the economic activities are in fact what is driving the need for these changes to actually be enforced, obviously along with the declining positivity rate.